Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you how to use splatter nails step by step guide. If you have ever dreamed of getting covered in bright colored smile during some of your favorite award shows, then this fun design is for you. Best of all, you will get to show off your goop without ever having to clean up any of mess. Let's talk about the step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a yellow nail polish. Step number 2 is dip a large dotting tool into blue polish and place 2 or 3 dots close to the tip of each nail. Drag the blue color toward the tip of the nails. Step number 3 is fill in the tip area with a blue to connect all of the dripping areas. Step number 4 is finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. How to splatter nails step by step guide. If you are fan of iconic painter Jackson Pollock or just miss the wacky fashion trends from the 80s, we have got the perfect manicure for you. In just a few brush strokes, you can create a wild, funky accent finger that's sure to turn heads. Keep watching my video. I will guide you step by step through this easy splatter plane tutorial. Step number 1, grab your black polish. Step number 2 is use scotch of poking tape to cover any skin surrounding an accent finger. We close the ring finger. Neatly place 4 pieces of tape on both sides at the tip and the cuticle, which will create a square like opening for the nail. This will keep the paint splatter from getting everywhere. Step number 3 is dip your small paintbrush into the white acrylic paint. Position the brush close to the nail tip but not directly above it, and tap on the handle with your finger. Thank you very much for watching my video step by step guide. If you have any query and questions about the splatter nail, please let me comment below.